Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes round and fluffy. To achieve this, we will focus on 4 key areas: precise batter preparation, consistent pouring technique, optimal cooking temperature, and the perfect flip. Following these steps will ensure your pancakes are consistently golden, beautifully round, and wonderfully light every time. Get ready to elevate your breakfast game with these simple yet effective methods for pancake perfection. For truly fluffy pancakes, proper batter preparation is crucial. First, combine your dry ingredients, including about 1 tablespoon of baking powder, ensuring they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk your wet ingredients, like 1 cup of milk and 1 egg. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry ingredients until just combined. A few lumps are actually a good sign. Let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax and the leavening to activate. Achieving perfectly round pancakes starts with your cooking surface and pouring technique. Preheat your griddle or non-stick pan to a consistent medium-low heat. This is key for even cooking. Lightly grease the surface with about 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Then, pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter per pancake from a consistent height, allowing it to spread naturally. Resist the urge to move the pancakes once the batter is poured, as this helps maintain their beautiful round shape. Knowing when and how to flip is the final step to pancake perfection. Wait until bubbles appear on the surface and the edges look set, usually after about 2 to 3 minutes. Use a wide, thin spatula for a quick, confident flip, minimizing any disruption to the pancake's shape. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the second side until it's beautifully golden brown. Serve your perfectly round and fluffy pancakes immediately with your favorite toppings for an unforgettable breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.